Welcome to the demo on System and Organization Controls Fundamentals. Note: some information is hidden. Click on Start to begin. Here are the navigation button, which will help you navigate the demo. Intended audience for this course are IT employee, manager and management personnel. At the end of this course you will learn SOC suite of services include SOC 1, SOC for service organizations, internal control over financial reporting; SOC 2, SOC for service organizations, trust services criteria; SOC 3, SOC for service organizations. The SOC 2 is not legally required, and compliance is not technically mandatory. The service organizations should consider becoming compliant because of following reasons. Click on the tabs to read more about the reasons. Customer demand. The scope of a SOC 2 report includes assessments of a service organization's system of controls relevant to security, confidentiality, availability, and processing integrity related to user organizations' data focused on the following areas. Click on the tabs to read more. People. Click on the tabs to read more about overview of SOC 2 and SOC 3. Trust services principles. Security. Confidentiality. Now you have completed the demo on System and Organization Controls Fundamentals. Please subscribe to view the full training.